Greetings, this is Kenny J with G.O.B.E TradeHouse, and I'm making this video to answer a question I get every single day. How much money should I start my trading account with? And how much money can I make off of my initial investment in my trading account? So we have a spreadsheet here, and we're going to show you how much you can make off a small investment off $100 if you started with $100 in your trading account. And I'll also do a couple other scenarios that you guys can see before the end of this video. Okay, so in our group, we receive what are called trade alerts. Trade alerts are sent out by our professional traders, and the alerts are about 85% accurate. I'll give you an example of how that looks in a moment. So whenever you get these signals, all you're going to do is what we call a copy paste profit, where you copy the currency that they're trading, the stop loss, and the take profit. And that's all you need to do. Okay, so those people who do not know how to trade, you actually can make money by just copying trades sent out by professional traders. So here's an example on 30 trades of how much money you could make. So let's just say $100 is your startup amount, okay? Which I think is a good startup amount for beginners. But we don't understand how powerful $100 could be when you compound 20 pips per day. When you look at trade one, if you were to use a 10-cent lot, right there where it says lot size, that's your trade amount. 10-cent lot in the Forex world is $1 a pip. That's how much you earn per pip. So the goal is to get 20 pips on the trade, which means you would have made $1 times 20. That's $20 profit. And your balance now would be $120. The second trade that's sent out, your lot size would be 12 cents. You get 20 pips again. You made $24 on that trade. Okay. Now your total profit from yesterday and today is $44. So now your $100 is now $144 account. And then that same process goes, and you keep increasing your lot size as your balance increases. If you were to continue this successfully for 30 trades, okay, look at the growth that takes place. All the way down to, on your 30th trade, $23,000 you can make by just compounding 20 pips per trade. Okay, so that is powerful. Albert Einstein said that compounding is the most powerful thing in the universe, and he is correct. Compounding is in every area of life. When it comes to you working out and getting into shape, you have to compound your small things daily. Is going to equal a lot over a period of time. Everything in life compounds. Okay, when it comes to your learning, your education, learn something every day. Years from now, you'll be wise. Same thing when it comes to finances and money. Compounding money is powerful. Just a small amount every day is going to equal a lot over a period of time. So as you can see, on 30 trades, starting off with a small account balance of $100, you could change that to $23,000 by utilizing this strategy of compounding. Okay. So now let's do another scenario. Let's say you want to start off with $1,000. Okay. Your beginning balance is $1,000. You take this same process from 30 trades, 1,000. On your 30th trade, my gosh, look at that. $238,000. You might be possible to compound your $1,000 to $238,000 on 30 trades. Now you might ask, okay, I don't know how to trade. This sounds good. Where do I get my trades from? Well, I'm glad you asked. Again, we have trade alerts. So when you become a member, you'll get access to these trade signals sent out by professional traders. Okay. So, and all you're going to do, as you can see, it says Trader's team is placing a buy trade on Euro USD at current market price with the following parameters. And all you do is you take that stop loss and that take profit 1 and you'll plug it into your MT4 application. Okay. You just plug the stop loss there and the take profit there, and you're either buy or sell, whatever they tell you to do, and you're in that trade. Mind you, depending on what's happening in the market, we may actually get anywhere between 1 to 4 trades a day. Okay. And you saw that only on about 30 trades, you could do well here. All right. So with that being said, guys, if you want more information on how you can get started and get access to our private training so you can actually start compounding and start making money and multiplying the money in your bank account, get back to the person who showed you this video, and we'll be glad to assist you, answer all your questions. And we hope to work with you in the future with our program. All right, God bless you guys. This is Kenny J signing out with G.O.B.E TradeHouse, and we'll see you on the inside.